Hi friends. During a sunny day, when we enter into house you feel darkness for few seconds. This is due to the delayed response of the iris, due to lack of sufficient light inside the house. This video is made to make you appreciate the mechanism of iris, which is responsible for the dilation and constriction of pupil in your eye. For this, select a room in which you have an open window, where outside daylight is clearly visible, and the other side of the room, mostly without light. Now, you move to the window, and stand in such a way that one eye is exposed to daylight, and the other eye to the darker side of the room. Take a mirror, and look into your eyes. The eye which is exposed to the daylight has a smaller pupil, that is constricted pupil, and the eye towards the darker side of the room has larger pupil, that is dilated pupil. By oscillating your head between daylight and darker side, slowly and repeatedly, you will notice the dilation, it means expansion, and constriction, it means contraction of pupil. See how beautiful is the iris mechanism in your eye. It's nature's beauty, right? Please like and share if you knew something new. Please subscribe if not yet subscribed. Thank you.